Good morning, everybody. I am a little bit late starting out this morning. It's like 6 o'clock and I try to be down here milking by like 5 o'clock, no later than 5:30. So I brought Alaska with me. Where is she? Alaska, come. Alaska, come. And she's gonna help me take care of the goats this morning. So I'm gonna Where's Creek? Creek, come on up. Nope. Sugar. Alaska, go lay down. Alaska, go. Sugar. Okay. Nope. Go on. I need Creek. Sugar. Sugar. It's okay. It's okay. Alaska, go. Yeah. Get up. It's okay. Go, Alaska. Creeper. Get up on the stand. Creeper. No. Get up on the stand. Hi. Do you want a little bit of Alaska? So, I'd like to, in the future, get a livestock guardian dog. I really don't need one right now where we're living, but the ultimate plan is to move eventually onto more land. Because we do own 30 or 40 acres down the road from us. It doesn't have power on it or water or anything. But yeah, when we move over there, our goal would be to get a livestock guardian dog because it's just a lot more untouched over there and we don't want to run into problems with predators, especially with like the ducks and stuff. But clearly Creeper does not like dogs at all, and she's extremely good at showing that. When she's afraid, she attacks, which is like not normal goat behavior, but whatever. I feel like they run, you know? It's fight or flight. They fight. She fights. She'll fight you. Also, I'm not sure if you guys have noticed, I'm sure I've talked about it in past videos before, but Cinnamon and Sugar were our first two goats. We got them about 2 years ago. And they had their ears tagged, so they had these big, ugly tags in their ears. And they came down last night to milk them, and both of them have these big holes in their ears where their ear tags were. And I couldn't find their ear tags anywhere. So I thought that they lost their ear tags on the same day, which was crazy to me. And I went up and I told Greg about it, and he cut them and took them out. Not their ears, but the tags, like days ago, on separate days. And I didn't notice until yesterday night, on the same day. So I felt kind of dumb for that one. But they don't have ear tags anymore. But yeah, I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna let you guys enjoy the morning. Will you drink it if I squirt at you? Aww. had to clean the baby geese out because they were so messy. They get so messy so quickly. And they're so big. I'd really like to get them out in with the ducks soon, but it still gets pretty cold at nighttime. And I guess I could put like a heat lamp in the duck coop. See if that works. I've got to give some hay to the babies. Gave them grain. Everybody's taken care of this morning, and then it's Saturday, which means that it is our farmers market day. So we're gonna head there, probably get some breakfast there. And oh yeah, I wanted to let you guys know about this. I don't know if you can see it. So that is a trailer with a truck cap on top of it. The idea is that we're going to board it in and attach the truck cap to the top, like how it is now, but with boards everywhere. And we're gonna turn it into a goat trailer because our goal this year is to make it to at least one show with the goats. We really want to show a couple of them, specifically Lone Star and Milky Way. Love to show Golden Hour too, but or Cookie too, but she's just a little bit skittish. Yeah, that's what we're doing with that.